Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Are you guys facing issues to add ThunderCore in a Trust Wallet app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. After you open up your app, log in into your account. If you don't know how to create an account on Trust Wallet app, then make sure to check out our guide on how to create account on it. After you open up your app, now look at the top right corner of your screen. Just simply tap on this icon. Once you tap on it, now click on search. Now search for ThunderCore. To add ThunderCore on your Trust Wallet homepage, you need to toggle this option. Once you toggle it, now go back to your homepage and scroll down. Now click on ThunderCore. After you click on it, hit the receive button. Once you click the receive button, you will be provided with unique QR code. With the help of this QR code and wallet address, you can visit ThunderCore through different crypto wallets. And that's it guys, that's how we gonna add ThunderCore on Trust Wallet app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.